Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by preparing the phone so the installer can run. First, enable installing unknown apps for your browser or file manager. This allows APK installation. Once done, back up SMS and keyboard data so you can restore if anything behaves oddly. Next, download a verified iOS emoji APK plus a font installer app. These two pieces let you replace the Samsung emoji set. Make sure battery is above 40%, and you have Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions during file transfer. You'll now install the files and apply the emoji set. Tap the downloaded APK in your file manager and follow install prompts. Allow permissions when requested. Then open the Font Installer app and select the iOS emoji font. Choose System Replacement for full coverage or per app apply to limit scope. Once applied, force stop your keyboard or reboot the device so the keyboard loads the new glyphs. Make sure to test in a few apps to confirm consistent appearance across messaging and social apps. Finish by verifying message send/receive behavior and emoji rendering across apps. If characters appear misaligned or missing, revert to the backed-up font using the installer. This restores system stability. Once done, make sure you know alternative options. Install a keyboard app that bundles iOS-style emojis or use sticker packs to avoid system font changes. If problems persist, clear keyboard cache, reboot, and if necessary, perform a settings reset. Keeping the original font backup lets you undo everything quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.